Hey, Jokwame. That's why you are disturbing the presence of a Jokwame. My daughter, it is wrong to bite the finger that fed you. You have used your whole hand to chase away your real husband.
How?
Hey, Jokwame! My daughter, some years back. But don't worry, just take a look. Jesus!
Jesus.
Abeg, no dey call me your wife, abeg.
What you cause all this show when they say we don't break up? They were in a real.
See, this relationship is not tire me. Relationship wey no involve money, I no want. Today you go give me, tomorrow you no go give me, next tomorrow you go give me, the other day you no go give me. You tell you relationship, I don't want again, abeg.
Why they talk like that now? Why they talk like that? So now when I give you